We've been told that portion control is the key to losing fat, and yes, to some extent that is true. However, what if we told you that you could lose weight by eating larger portions and more calories? Sounds interesting, right? Then make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on the important details we are going to share with you guys. The science behind losing weight is to burn more calories than you eat. So, what are the top 3 secrets to lose weight while eating more? Number 1. Never eat below your BMR. So, to make things easier, you should consume at least the same number of calories as your basal metabolic rate or BMR. Your BMR is the number of calories your body burns for carrying out its life-sustaining functions. Most people trying to lose weight reduce their calories by a lot and tend to gain back the weight they lost once they start eating normally. How many calories do you eat in a day?
I eat 1,000 calories a day.
Oh wow! Did you lose weight?
No, I gained back all the weight.
The reason for this is metabolic adjustment. Your metabolism is responsible for burning calories by performing essential body functions such as pumping blood, fueling your cells, and working your digestive system. So, when you restrict your calories by a lot, your metabolism also decreases, resulting in little to no weight loss. So, by increasing your metabolism, you will be able to eat more calories and still lose weight. But many people don't know the exact calories they should be consuming in this case. To find your BMR, you can use any BMR calculator online and enter your weight, height, and activity level to find out how many calories your body needs per day. I've included a link to a BMR calculator in the description, so make sure to check it out after you watch this video. Number 2. Eat high protein and high fiber foods. Including high protein and fibrous foods in your diet will help you eat more calories and still lose weight. Want to know why? This is due to a process called thermic effect of food. When we consume any food item, our body needs to spend a certain number of calories to digest and process those foods. Your body typically uses 3% of calories for processing fat and 5% calories for processing carbohydrates. However, to digest protein and high-fiber foods, your body uses 25 to 30% of the calories to digest these food items. For instance, for every 100 calories you consume from protein, your body uses 25 to 30 calories from that to digest the food. So, your net caloric intake would be approximately 75 calories. This is why including high-protein foods in your diet is a great way of eating more calories and still losing fat. And lastly, volume eating. Do you want to eat larger quantities of food and still lose weight? Then you should definitely try volume eating. This is a way of eating in which you consume low calories and nutrient-rich foods in your diet. These include foods that are high in water and low in fat. For instance, some examples are fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and skim, or most plant-based milk. These are all low-density food items that consume less calories per 100 grams as compared to other food items. Now that you know these top 3 ways of eating more calories and still losing fat, let us know what foods you would be eating more by posting your answers in the comments section down below, and we would make sure to reply to each and every one of you. Moving on, if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates regarding health and fitness. Now that you know the secrets of eating more and losing weight, don't forget to watch these other videos on building muscle and losing fat.